Alright, I'm gonna pack really quick yung gift ng ating graduate. Tapos, hopefully, sabi nila ay nandito na daw sila. Papunta na sila dito. So, ito yung nabili ko. Nakita ko sa inyo. Gift natin kay Ashanti. Ito siya ay mother of pearl. Tapos, pang-ek-ek lang ba na pen. Para sa next school year niya. Yan. So, ito, ilalagay natin sa yan, jewelry box. Sana hindi niya mawala ito kasi very sentimental itong. Hindi naman masyadong mahal ito. Kaya lang, syempre, pag binibigay mo, ay dapat inaalagaan. So, yan. Yan na. There you go. So, gift number 1. Tapos, ito gift number 2. Kailan ko ba itong tanggalin sa kanyang pinanggalingan? Parang napaka-cheap naman kasi pag ilagay natin dito. But, look at this, ha? Siguro pag 5 years old siya, parang masisiyahan siya nito. But, I don't know, kasi teenager na. Yan, oh. But, I really like it. So, bahala na siya kung paano niya gamitin ito. So, this is gift number 2. Tapos, ilagay lang natin dito sa kanyang. Dito na lang. Yan. Ito naman ay sa kapatid ko. Lagay ko dito sa happy birthday. Siyempre, ang nanay, i-congratulate natin dahil oh shoot, I forgot. Oh my golly. Nakalimutan ko. Bigyan natin sila ng pera. Ito ay pera para sa lalaki or sa babae. Para sa kanya yan. Tapos ito ay para sa lalaki. Kasi syempre, pag bibigyan mo yung isa, dapat yung isa bigyan din, di ba? So, ito yung para sa lalaki. Tapos, ilagay natin yung kanyang gift. Dapat walang presyo. Tinanggal ng presyo. Okay. Yung kanyang gift, ilagay natin sa gift bag. Yan. I don't know which gift bag. Ito na lang. Nakalimutan kong magdala ng gift bag sa aking kapatid. So, itong pera, para sana ito sa aking kapatid. Tapos, nakalimutan ko na sabihin kay Cory na punta kaming bangko kasi mag-withdraw dapat ng pera. Okay, and then, so ito, tapos na ito. And then, mga trash. Tapos, kunin ko yung gift ni Ashanti na, yung damit ko, na, dito ko ilagay. Yung damit na ibibigay ko ba, kung gusto niya. Kung hindi niya gusto, padala ko na lang sa Pilipinas. Punta muna tayo sa ating bedroom. Natapos. Alright. Ewan ko kung saan ko na linagay yung mga niya. Where could you be? Where could you be? Yeah, ito. Ibibigay ko ito sa kanya. At saka, ito. Both of these. Kasi bago ito Tapos hindi kasya sa akin. Okay. Tapos, sana kasya ito sa kanya. Tapos magustuhan niya. Kasi pag hindi, bago kasi ito hindi ko pa nagamit. Tapos, pinaglubluban ng mga pusa ko. Kaya, kailangan labahan. So, nilabahan ko siya. And then this one too, this is brand new. Hindi ko din nagamit. Parang kasya to sa kanya. Tapos mag-undershirt lang siya. So, ibigay ko to sa kanya. Yan. Tapos, ito, i-wrap ko ito, but babawiin ko. Kasi ito yung ano niya eh. Yung clothes niya nung 5 years old or 3 years old pa siya. Oh my gosh, those were the days. Pero, i-surprise ko lang siya para tingnan natin kung anong masasabi niya. Ibibigay ko ito sa kanya just to open it and to see it. And then, after that, ay akin na siyang kukunin pabalik. Kasi, more than 10 years old na ito. Siguro, mga 12 years old na ito. Kinikip ko talaga. So, yan. Mga trash ay ito sa kapatid ko ito. Wala na siyang masusulan. Ewan ko kung bakit ba ganyan damdamin ay. So hindi nakapanood sa previous video ko, itong regalo kong ito ay bibigay ko sa aking pamangkin. Kasi yung pamangkin ko is napaka-bright, napakatalino, tapos napaka-bright niya talaga guys. And nag-skip siya ng 4th year high school, diretsong pre-college, diretsong college. Tapos nabigyan siya ng scholarship doon sa aming community. Mayroong community college dito. Nabigyan siya ng scholarship para magkuha ng mga pre-medicine. Gusto kasi niya maging doktor. So magkuha ng pre-medicine ng mga subjects. Tapos actually nurse na siya. Kasi ang nurses dito sa Amerika is merong LPN or licensed practical nurse. Tapos may CNA, yung Certified Nursing Associate, ata yun. Tapos may RN, yung Registered Nurse. Tapos may BS and Bachelor of Nursing. So, 4 yung klaseng nurses dito. Tapos, natapos niya itong duha, CNA at saka, ewan ko kung ano pa yung isa. But mainly, ginamit niya yung dalawa na mga courses para sa pre-med niya kasi gusto niya maging doktor. So, nag-graduate siya yesterday or the other day, some days ago, nag-graduate siya. Tapos, nag-graduate siya na summa cum laude. So, yun. Kahit na hindi siya nag-4th year high school, diretso siyang college. Tapos, dun sa course niya, summa cum laude. So, I'm really proud of that girl. So, yun. Kaya, bibigyan ko siya ng gift, ng regalo. Ito, yeah. Ito ay mga trash na. So, ano na natin ito itabi. Nandito na sila. Bibidyohan ko. They are my niece and my nephew! Woo! Can I take video of you guys? Oh my god, you're so tall, Adrian. Look at how tall my nephew is. I'm so happy that you are. Come here. I have something to show you.
It's a lot more finished.
Come on in. Is it okay if I'll show this to our family in the Philippines?
Yeah, I mean, Facebook is fine.
Just
Facebook is
no,
fine.
I'm not going to do it on Facebook.
Oh, it's gonna be on YouTube?
Come here.
No.
Look, Uncle Corey. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I
This
hope
is-
that
This is good.
hopefully it fits okay. And
Yeah.
Just wear it.
This is XL, I believe. Yeah, XL fits me. Found
That's good.
Can
good.
you
Yeah.
get $50? You like it already?
I'm glad you guys.
I
I'm glad you guys got for my university. Actually, this is
And then that's actually mother of pearl.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's pearl.
Yeah, that's the.
Really, I love this. I don't even have that much jewelry, and this is
Really?
Yeah, it should
Aww.
look smooth.
Ay, gutom na siya ako. Gutom ko na. Tapos wala kaming makain dito. Kaya sinabi ko kay Lord, sige na lang kasi may leftover kami na taco. Yung pinipare ko sa kanya yesterday. Oh no, the other day. So yun na lang yung kakainin ko. Tapos sabi ko, I don't like tacos. But guys, pasalamat naman tayo. At least may makain tayo, di ba? Yan yung leftover na taco na kakainin ko. Alright, meron tayong tubig. Meron tayong Coke. At saka luma na vegetable na kailangan kong i-refresh. Tapos meron tayong sour cream. And then cheese. At saka salsa. Yan. At puputulin lang natin ito. Saan ko ba kailangan ko ng another? Di bali na. Yan lang. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng meat. And then, lagyan natin ng sour cream. Of course, kailangan natin gumamit ng serving spoon. Huwag natin damihan kasi ang ating cholesterol. Tapos, ang ating salsa. Huwag din natin damihan kasi ayoko talaga ng kamatis. Ang ating hyperacidity. Yan. Grabe, ang dami na talagang mga bawal-bawal. And of course, yung ating cheese. Nakugas na ako ng kamay, so pwede lang kamayin. Pwede lang kamayin. At huwag din nating damihan ng cheese kasi ang cholesterol ni Carpenter. Yan. And then, i-wrap lang natin ito. At magpasalamat tayo sa Panginoon for the blessings He has given us. Yan. Ay, binili pala ako kanina na dessert. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ako taco person. So, bigyan mo ako ng pang-dessert. So, yun. Bumili kami ng dessert on the way. Tingnan nyo. Tadang! Ano ba ito? Dulce de leche. Caramel ice cream. Oh, ice cream pala ito. Naku, ang ating sugar. Ito din noon ha. Reminded ako nito sa mamon sa akin. But anyway. So, nagustuhan ng pamangkin ko yung gifts namin ng Uncle Cory nila. Tapos, na-video ko post ko later or tomorrow or whenever. Tapos, hindi sila makapaniwala, guys. Yung gift ko dito sa pamangkin ko na nandito ay, very simple lang talaga yung gift ko sa kanila. Tapos, very appreciated it, especially yung sa bracelet na binigay ko. Sabi ko, uy, mother of pearl yan. Oh, really? Kasi may cross. Tapos, basta ang ganda kahit na silver lang. So, nasisiyahan talaga sila. Ipakita ko sa inyo sa next upload ko kung ano yung reaction nila. Hindi talaga sila magpa-video, guys. Pero, from time to time, ay nanakawan ko ng video. Pero, I don't know if i-upload ko. Sabi nila, okay lang i-upload sa Facebook, Auntie Marilyn, but not on YouTube, please. So, sabi ko sa kanila, I ask permission. Is it okay if I will just, vegetate your voice? Sabi nila, oh yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Ganon sila ka-secretive, guys. But anyway, sabi ng pamangkin ko, Auntie Marilyn, hindi ko matanggap itong pera. Sabi ko, tanggapin mo na kasi galing sa aking puso. Yan. Nung aming pamangkin dyan sa Pilipinas, nung nag-graduate siya sa Science High School Elementary, oh my gosh, we were so proud. So, binigyan ko siya ng blue diamond. Tapos, yung Bible na first batch na mina-manufacture noong 1901 ata yun or 1910. Lumang-luma talaga. Sabi ko, ingatan mo talaga ito. Kasi vintage ito. Oh, binigyan ko din siya ng telescope. Yun. Para sa graduation niya. So, sabi ko, invite mo yung mga kapitbahay, tapos para makakita sila sa moon, kita nila yung mga different planets, sa ating solar system. So, yun, kita nila in person yung craters ng moon. Tapos, Saturn at Jupiter. Kaya lang, itong mga pamangkin namin ay hindi talaga maarte. Yung pamangkin ko sa Pilipinas, ayaw maggamit. Binigyan ko pa siya ng mga purses, ng mga bags, mga ganon. Ay, naku, napakasimple. So, pasalamat lang ako sa Panginoon na hindi demanding yung mga pamangkin ko ba. So, yun. Yung mga pamangkin ko sa eldest namin, hindi ko masyadong nabigyan ng mga gifts sa graduation nila. Kasi, mga lalaki, hindi ko alam. Mga cellphone lang binigay ko at saka but before, ay palagi ko naman silang binibigyan ng pera yung parents nila, monthly allowance nila. So, dito lang ako sa mga babae na bumabawi. So, yun, sabi ng pamangkin ko dito, oh, Auntie Marilyn, this is the best. Inano niya talaga. Alam niyo naman yung pamangkin kong babae, ayaw niyang gumamit ng mga jewelries. One time, binigyan ko siya ng gold na earrings. Ewan ko kung nasaan na. Kaya, sabi ko, hindi na ako bibigay sa inyo ng mga silver na lang yung binigay ko sa kanya kahapon. But she really like it kasi may pearl na cross eh. So, I'm so happy din. Pakita ko sa inyo later yung reactions nila.
Okay, sorry.
Perspective matches
You're really
and
good.
graduate silver.
Yeah, right?
That's nice. I love it.
You love it? Oh, that's good. That's good.
Happy na ako.
Alright, how about...
This is just so
We
nice.
can see that.
Mawala. Ano yung
It really fits you well.
Thank you. Yeah.
I like it.
So what kind of... She said that she received like an honor or what is that?
So,
I have-
kung ang baga, sumak mo lang din. 4.0.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
You're so
I
kind.
will give you an award. This goes to Ashanti.
Do you ever
What? That's your average is
4.0? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Really?
And I have 5 or 6
High school.
cords.
Huh?
I have 5 cords. You wear when you graduate? Yeah.
Really? Can you give me one?
Yes. Of course. I don't even know.
Remember, so I will keep together with your shirt.
Yeah. I don't even know what
I
I'm
think
gonna
you
use
have
it for.
you have to return it?
No.
Or no? Okay,
You
this is
keep
all
them.
your Auntie
Yeah,
Marilyn.
one is for, I think winning
Like you have
city.
5 awards?
Yeah.
What are they?
One is for getting my OMJ seal, which is I'm certified, or I got like certifications from school. Another one,
Nakapasar siya. She passed
Licensure?
licensure.
I got my medical assisting and I'm a phlebotomy technician.
Now you can work at the hospital.
Yeah.
You're educated than me.
I'm not.
Working in Panera.
Yeah, you can
Just
work at the
dishwashing.
hospital.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Until now, dishwashing
I'm
nagyapon
not
siya.
gonna dishwash anymore. It's very tiring.
Oh my gosh!
It's so
And then
hard.
what else?
Um.
Or you can do cashiering.
Oh, I just don't want to do
No,
anything
they
with
did not.
food.
They did not allow her.
I can.
Yeah.
But let's go to, try at the hospital
Or
as
I can
volunteer
work at
hours.
Willie's.
Like you said,
No,
with
she wants to
Work at
apply nga 20 plus 20 to ang bayad daw.
I could work as like a hostess for.
Or no, you can apply as medical assistant actually at the doctor's
Yeah, I
office.
think I will because they pay the most.
Yes.
Yeah, or phlebotomy technician. I don't know, they pay more.
Are you phlebotomist already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
She also passed the
You
board.
know, you also got a board exam for
Yeah. Well, we had to get certified.
yeah, yes.
Well, it was terrible. But
Really?
I studied a lot, so I got
You
like
pass?
uh-huh.
Oh my
It was like
gosh!
a 132%. And then my other one is National Tech Honor Society.
National
Tech
Tech
Honor.
Honor Society. So that's the entire America.
Yeah, you have
I
to
am
have the
so
best schools in
proud
your
of you.
grade.
You
Oh,
should be
thank
like
you.
the president's
Oh my
doctor in the future. Who knows? I will be the president.
Look at my hair. Do you think that it's fried?
Mm. What
This
kind
one is Marilyn.
I just
do you want me to
straightened
braid your hair?
it. If you want later.
Oh, this is actually a
Oh wow.
mango seed that I can plant. I want to plant.
Mm.
Here?
I was
Mangoes here?
thinking it was a cookie. Remember the cookie that medallion?
I thought that was peanuts.
Yeah, it's like it couldn't be. I thought because I bought that online and what they were showing is like a tree already.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, oh, good, that has already like you know.
It's still.
Oh my goodness! And then like it would take 5 years for that to grow.
Mm-hmm.
Yan, dalhin na naman sa loob yung ating kalamansi kasi lalamig mamaya. Ay, nako. Lalamig, iinit. Lalamig, iinit. Ano ba talaga, kuya? Tapos, ang aking makusganong mini garden dyan. Tapos, yung libre na Lily of the Valley na nakuha namin the other day. No, yesterday. So, tatanim ko yan bukas. Samantala, yan. Kala ko aalis na kami. Sabi niya, come on, let's go. Let's go, it's getting cold.